Hello and welcome to all the students. Science topic. Today we start chapter number 5 Inside the Atom. Textbook page number 28. Before that, we see some basic questions already given. Matter. What is matter? What is meant by matter? In the last class, 7th standard, you have studied about the matter. The smallest part of the substance, that is called matter. Means matter is made up of molecules. So every substance is made up of matter, and this matter exists in various forms. Molecules are formed from atoms. What is atom? The smallest part of the matter, that is called atom. So the smallest part of an element, that is also atom. So smallest unit of matter, that is called atom. An atom is the smallest particle of an element which retain its chemical identity in all the physical and chemical changes. Now here one table is given to understand atom, element and compound. See here, first water. Name of the substance is water. Its chemical formula is H2O. Yes. Is an atom? No, because atom is a single substance. Therefore, it is not atom, but is a molecule. Means what is molecule? Molecule is made up of two or more atoms, different atoms or same atoms. That is called molecule. So this is the molecule. Single type of atom in the molecule? No, there are hydrogen and oxygen. Yes, no single type of atoms are there. H2O contain hydrogen and oxygen. Different types? Yes, this is okay. It is an element? No, it is a compound. So what is meant by compound? Yes, two or more elements or atoms chemically combines in a fixed proportion, that is called compounds. That is a compound. Second, oxygen. What is the formula of oxygen? O2. Yes. Oxygen is an atom? No, because here two oxygen atoms are there, not single. Therefore is a molecule. Single type of substance, atoms? Yes, because oxygen O2 contains O and O, means single. Yes, oxygen only single. Different types of? No. Is an element? Yes, oxygen is the element. So oxygen O2, O plus O, O2 element. It is not a compound. Yes. So O2 is a molecule and it contains element oxygen. Now next, helium. Similarly, helium, what is the formula? He. Is an atom? Yes. Molecule? No. Single type of atom of molecule? Yes. Element? Yes. It is not a compound. So in this way, we'll have others also to study whether they are atom, molecule or element. See next, hydrogen. Hydrogen is an atom? No, is a molecule. Then single type of substance? Yes. Different types of atoms? No. Is a element? Yes. H2 is not a compound, is a element. Hydrogen is the element. Now next, ammonia. Ammonia is an atom? No, is a molecule. Single type of molecule? No, different types. Is a element? No, is a compound. So compound means nitrogen and hydrogen are chemically combined in a fixed proportion to form a compound. Next, nitrogen. Nitrogen is the atom? No, it is a molecule. Yes. And single type? Yes. No different. Element? Yes, it's not a compound. So next, methane. Methane is a formula CH4. Is a molecule? Yes. Single type hai? No. Carbon and hydrogen are different. Therefore, yes. Element? No. Is a compound. Similarly, argon is an atom? Yes. Single substance hai. There is a atom. So, is a molecule? No. Single type of atom of the molecule? It will be what? Yes. No. Element? Yes. It is an element. Similarly, neon also like argon? Yes. Is not a compound. Now next है chlorine. What about chlorine? Chlorine Cl2 is an atom. Cl2 is an atom? No, is a molecule. Single substance, type of substance? Yes. No different. Is an element? Yes. So in this way, you will have the solution of whether it is a atom, molecule, element or compound. So remember, atom is the smallest particle of the element, or atom is the smallest particle of matter, and molecule is formed by two or more different similar atom joined to form molecules, and compounds are formed by two or more different elements in a definite proportion to form compounds, chemically combined to form compounds. H2, Cl2, O2, N2, these are all the molecules. Yes, two similar atoms are there, they are from all molecules. So this is the table. You will have to write this table in your notebook. So we have learned in the earlier standard that smallest particle of most of the substances are molecules. Molecules of few substances contain only one atom. Molecules are formed by chemical combination of atoms. From this, we understand that the smallest particle of atom taking part in a chemical combination is an atom. The concept of atom is more than 2500 years ago. Yes. However, it was forgotten in the course of time. In the modern time, scientists on the basis of experiment explain the nature of atom as well as the internal structure of atom. It started with Dalton's atomic theory. So next we'll see about Dalton's atomic theory.